Jumamothi ya kiumia kiu kirathirire munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua ni aracerete kaunti-ini ya Murang'a mwena wa Kinyona icigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kigumo, na guku ni kwa ararutire mukana kuri anene a honge cia ugitiri na kamishna kwihotora kuhurana na njohi takinyanirie ikiro, akiuga uria kugonderera wira-ini wake ndegũthamirio kundu kungi ndi ni wira wake ukumura. Na kuma muthenya wa ira maabitha ugitiri na wathani wa matura matikomete amu mambikite miungururio ya gwethana na athondeki a njohi ici matura-ini ma Murang'a na haha merekire itura-ini ria Raini, mithanduku-ini gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Gatanga na kuhithukia njohi cia magendo na ekuirwo eri umwe wao ari abitha wa tene wa borithi.
And they were able to gain access into this facility and they were able to impound quite a number of illegal alcoholic substances, managed to arrest the proprietor or the person that has been operating this illegal business together with another male person. We have also been able to find out that the culprit is a police officer.
Kamishna wa kaunti ya Murang'a Joshua Nkanatha, kamanda wa borithi Matthew Kainga hamwe na mbutu cia ugitiri na maabitha ruhonge rwa ugani igoti KRA ni mekinyirie kuo na mahithukia mithemba 39 ya njohi tari njitikirie rita 100 ria 50 cia ethanol, ireti 299 cia Diamond iciri na njohi, cuba makiria ma 700 cia njohi cia Taifa Ice iri na mihuri ya maigirira ya KRA, cuba ngirinya itari njohi, ireti 29 itari cuba cia njohi na makiri ma nyota cia cuba cia njohi.
Mtakonifahamiwa na KRA ya kwamba hakuna pombe imelipiwa ushuru hapa. So RRA ya kumaliza pombe katika kaunti yetu ya Murang'a ilianza rasmi leo asubuhi.
Kamanda wa borithi wa Murang'a Matthew Kainga ni ugitwe kwirwa cweri ni maikirio ngono na ni magukinyio igoti-ini na thitango ithatu, imwe cia guthondeka njohi matari na marua, guthondeka njohi cia magendo, gatagati kaingi agicokeria muingi ngatho ni undu wa gukinyiria maabitha borithi uthondeki wa njohi iyo.
Unprecedented behavior that the members of the public have started to manufacture such alcoholic substances that are likely to endanger the lives of people, like it happened in our neighboring county, will not be condoned here in Murang'a County.
Gukiri uguo, Kamishna Joshua Nkanatha ni atanite mucemanio wa hinahi wa maabitha othe a honge cia ugitiri niguo kwaririria mitaratara ya uria mekuhurana na kunina njohi ici matura-ini ma Murang'a, kuona maraheirwo ihinda ria ciumia 2 tu ni munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua na maremwo ni kunina mafuto wira.
Kuna transfer ukipatikana nayo kwako, uchaguzi ni wako, umalize ama uende.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Nyambura wa Kiruba.
Hiyo nimewekwa separate.